Hey guys, welcome to module number 3. In previous modules, we were already seen about downloading of WordPress, downloading of server software and installation of server software named XAMPP. So in this session, I'm going to tell you how to place WordPress files into that server and how to start a server, and also we are going to see how to create a database and how we can integrate that database with WordPress. So let us start our session. So guys, we have to check whether that XAMPP is installed correctly or not. So before working on XAMPP, we have to start a server. So here you can see at the bottom, right bottom, you can find a XAMPP icon. So right click on that and you can see Apache and MySQL will be there. Those all are in red colors. So we have to turn them to green before working on them. If you hover on Apache, you can get a start. So I'm going to click start, and then if you hover on MySQL, you can also get a start again. So start, yes. Now you can find now you can see Apache and MySQL both are in green color. It means that we can perfectly use WordPress. If you are not having XAMPP icon here, then how to start and how you can open control panel, I'll show you. So before that, I'm gonna turn off this Apache and MySQL. Okay, then navigate to the XAMPP installation folder. Guys, after navigating, you can find 3 options at the bottom of this folder. That options are XAMPP start, XAMPP stop and XAMPP control. Here you can see XAMPP control. Double click on that XAMPP control and you can find a control panel of XAMPP. See, that's it, and hit start here, Apache and MySQL. See, you can find that modules Apache and MySQL were turned into green color. That's it. So we can check whether these Apache and MySQL were working properly or not, were configured properly or not. So to check that, just open a Chrome browser and search for localhost/dashboard. Localhost/dashboard. Then you can find XAMPP Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. You can find a dashboard like this. If you got this dashboard, it means that if you had configured perfectly, that's it. And then if you are not got this dashboard, then there might be a problem on starting Apache and SQL servers. If you got any issues with this, please mail to me guys, or else you can text via live chat. And then here is a PHP MyAdmin. So just click on that and you can find a PHP MyAdmin dashboard. So this is a PHP MyAdmin dashboard, and this will help us to create a databases. Here you can see these are all my databases. I'm going to create a new one here. So tap on new and database name will be anything like I'm going to give it as test. Okay, test, and then create. I'm going to hit create. Yes, database test has been created. Don't worry about these red warnings, because you may not get these warnings. So how I am getting this means I am using XAMPP 2 times. Like this is my another account here. So you can find bold divs. My actual account is Jashwanth Reddy. So I am having XAMPP in this also. So that is why I'm getting an error. So not an issues. Okay, we had created a database named test, right? Okay, this is the database name. So now minimize, and we had already downloaded the WordPress files. Now we are going to copy these files into XAMPP. So right click, copy, and then open the XAMPP installation folder, and then you can find here ht docs. So double click on ht docs and paste here. So guys, I'm going to skip the process because copy pasting may takes time. So after completion, you can find the folder, copied folder here. See WordPress 5.5.3. So if you double click this, you can get another folder, WordPress. In this WordPress, we are having all the WordPress files. So I'm going to rename this for easier purpose. I'm gonna rename it to test again, TEST. Okay, enter. Fine. Okay, after renaming, just minimize this and open Chrome again. Take new tab and search for localhost dashboard. So after that, go for localhost slash test. Okay, here you can find the index, then open WordPress. Just wait. So guys, finally we got a WordPress installation dashboard. But before proceeding with installation, let me tell you one thing. Guys, I had already proceeded with PHP My Admin dashboard. So that's why for me, it was not asking any login or sign up options. But if you got any dashboard like this, just proceed with without giving a password, but make sure that username will be root. That's all. And if you are still facing any issues, just screenshot and mail me, or else you can text via live chat. Guys, before proceeding with installation process, we have to do one thing. We had placed the WordPress files into server, but we didn't connect to database yet. So let me tell you how to connect with a database. We had already created a database named test. Where is it? Yes, test. So I'm gonna minimize this. So let me go to XAMPP installation folder, and I'm gonna open this test and WordPress. So here you can find main three folders here: WP admin, WP content, and WP includes. Don't bother with these three folders. I'll explain you later about these three folders, but for now just go to WP config sample and right click here and open with notepad or any editor. So let me open with, so where is notepad? Yes, notepad. Okay, so finally you'll be getting a PHP code here. Don't worry, we are not going to rewrite this, so just modification. Okay, here let me tell you where the option is. Yes, here you can find the sentence like the name of database for WordPress. We have to modify these details. Here you can see database name. So database name here, just remove this text and database name will be test, and then database username will be root, root root. As I already told you before, for me it didn't ask any sign up or sign in for PHP My Admin. If definitely you will get that pop up. Just confirm that username will be root and proceed without entering a password. Then MySQL database password. Your password means there is no password, so I'm gonna remove this. Okay, that's all. And DB host will be localhost. Do not modify any other things. These modifications are quite enough. Just hit Ctrl S to save. Okay, after saving, close this and then minimize. Just again go to Chrome. Guys, make sure that Apache and SQL will be in green. That means will be in start. Okay, and then now we can proceed with installation of WordPress. So guys, this is pretty much enough for this session. On coming video, we'll see the installation process. Thank you.